Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to family share on Steam. And now if you want to enable family library sharing, first you have to be sure that you have Steam Guard security enabled via Steam, the aka two-factor authentication, settings and account in the Steam client, and then enable the sharing feature via settings, family, or in big picture mode, settings and family library and sharing, and where you also authorize specific computers and users to share. So basically, you're gonna be able to do it within the Steam after you have the Steam Guard, because it is really important and critical. So you can add another layer to your protection. So basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.